What if AI could make you money without coding, without technical skill, and without stress? In this video, I'm going to break down 7 easy steps to build a business using AI, and at the end of video, I am going to give you a proven business idea which has been used by many and made millions out of it. So grab your seats and let's get started. 1. Don't build AI, rent it. Most people think they need to create AI to make money. But what if I told you in 2026 the smartest founders combine existing AIs and sell outcomes? Yes, listen carefully. You are not building the engine, you are building the steering wheel. I'll make it simple. This is the roadmap you should follow. Use existing AI tools, package them into one simple solution, and sell it to one niche. Memorize this system because believe it or not, it is the proven way. Let's follow an example. Uber doesn't own car. Airbnb doesn't own houses. This is the new generation of business. They don't own tech, they control access. 2. Pick one boring problem. Always remember this one. Boring is equal to profitable. Everyone wants to build AI for creators, startups, or the future. But money lives in boring problems people hate dealing with. Everyone will tell you solve the problem and make the money. But this system is outdated nowadays. And this is the new version. Solve boring problem that no one tries to solve because it's obviously boring. And trust me, this is extremely powerful idea. Think like this. Invoices, emails, reports, scheduling, follow-ups, data cleaning. These are kind of work which are boring, repetitive and annoying. And in this era, we have privilege to replace it with AI. Then why not to use this blessing to fill your pocket? 3. Sell time, not technology. People don't care about AI. They care about getting their time back. So never say this use advanced AI model. Always say this save you 10 hours every week. This one thing can change the whole game. If your AI doesn't clearly save time, money or stress, it's not a business, it's a demo. Remember that people don't buy tools, they buy freedom. 4. Build a human layer around AI. This is what almost no one talk about. In 2026, AI is everywhere. Look around. Everyone is using AI every time they breathe. I use AI, you are using AI, every app, every businesses, they all are using AI. What's become rare in this generation is human judgment. Do you get the point? Add human review, human customization, human accountability, and that will be the reason why people will trust you instead of free AI tools. Because AI gives answers, but human gives confidence. 5. Start with manual, then automate. Most people fail because they automate too early. What I have been noticing is successful founders do it manually at first, understand the real problem, and then automate only what repeats. If you can't sell the service manually, it won't save you because relying too much on AI will make you weaker. Think about it. What if AI component in your business has disappeared completely? You are finished and that will be the total disaster for you. So remember that if you can't sell it without AI, AI won't sell it for you. 6. Charge for results, not subscription. Subscriptions are crowded, but results stand out. Everyone is doing the same thing. They provide subscriptions for their service. And my opinion is why to be common? Get out of the box. Instead of monthly free for AI tools, pay per lead, pay per report, pay per task completed, pay per outcome. This removes risk for the customer and increase trust. This one thing can make you stand out of the crowd. And remember, price will be forgotten, but results are going to remember. 7. Build distribution before perfection. The biggest mistake everyone does is they wait to be perfect. In 2026, attention is greater than product, distribution is greater than code, and audience is greater than feature. Start talking about the problem before your AI is ready. Build in panic, share learning, share mistake. Nowadays, people don't judge you for making mistake. They get attention only on one factor, that how long you are going to stick. And that's more important because best product with no audience is invisible. AI businesses doesn't win because of intelligence. They win because of clarity. Who it's for, what kind of problem it is, why it's simpler than everything else. Understand these points and I guarantee you are going to make it work. Get this in your head. AI is the tool, you are the edge. Now, before you think these all points are hopeless and not gonna work, I will give you the example which has been used and made millions. Smart Reply Agency. What this business does, trust me, this was very simple business. Smart Reply Agency helps small businesses reply, follow up, and close customers faster using AI. They don't build software, they run a service. What they did was actually simple and smarter. They find a business that reply late, example local saloon, coaches, real estate agents, gym owners. Next, they set up AI tools using ChatGPT, Google Sheet, email, WhatsApp template, automation tool. They connect things, they don't build them. Next, they create reply and follow up messages. Next, they manage it for the business, then they charge them monthly once they make sure no customer message is ignored or forgotten. And you are not going to believe that, but owners of this business are mostly students, freelancer, and non-technical people. Most AI businesses in 2026 will not be built by coders. They will build by organizers, operators, and communicators. Because AI is not the boss. AI replaces efforts, not ownership. You are the owner and you will be forever. That's it. This video was the only thing you need to watch to create a business using AI. Of course, you have to deal with more complications and study some more points, but I know you are going to make it work. Get to the work now. This is your opportunity. Grab it and get out of the crowd.